Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another wash day video. I know y'all love these videos and I wash my hair every week. So here's the products that I use to prep for a blowout. This is what my hair is looking like. I did do a pre-wash because I had a bunch of gel in my hair. I normally don't have gel in my hair, but I did. So I did prep my hair before. Now I'm going in with the Olaplex system and I'm using number 0 and number 3. I do have a dedicated video reviewing these products. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out at your leisure. You do start off with number 0 first. I also hate the applicator on this. Like, it's not heavy-handed friendly, which I suppose is the point, but I can't stand it. I really can't. And I just continue that process throughout my hair, applying the number 0 all throughout my hair strands. First of all, low porosity problems. Why is all of the product on my robe? Because the product just drips off my hair. Low porosity is real. I've been hearing a lot of conversations online recently that porosity is not a real thing. Okay. It's been 10 minutes later and it's time to apply the number 3. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The number 3 is freaking amazing. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. This is my second time applying the number 3 and I love the number 3. I'm obsessed with it. It was an instant staple. I'm not just saying that because it's so good. Even though I still like doing protein treatments and I recommend doing protein treatments even with Olaplex, on my first use, Olaplex did what a protein treatment has never done. It reduced my shedding. It left my hair feeling nice, soft, bouncy, and springy. But the reduction in shedding is where it really reigns supreme. If you're having issues with shedding, if you're having issues with breakage, I almost assure you, if you use Olaplex, you're going to see a noticeable difference almost immediately. I promise you. If you're interested in anything that I mentioned today, I would really appreciate it if you click the link in my description box. The links really do help my channel. It helps to keep this channel going. And like I always say, I'll love you forever. And also, while you're here too, don't forget to like this video. That also supports my channel. And if you're new here and you're liking the content so far, don't forget to subscribe. After I apply the Olaplex, I allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. And then it was time to rinse it out. I did not show y'all that process because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, filming in the shower is a lot. It's an entire task. But just know it was a great experience in the shower. I used a new shampoo, Kinky Tresses shampoo. Never used it before. I don't even like shampoo, but that shampoo was amazing. One of the most moisturizing shampoos I've ever used. Highly slept on and I highly recommend it. Let's go into the deep conditioner. What's in it? I have no idea once again. It was that mix-up that I had in the fridge. Literally, I just made a huge batch of something. It's conditioner and herbs. I am not sure exactly what it is, but what I will do is leave some commercial options down below, as well as some DIYs that you can recreate to get this similar experience. So I got you. I really love what Ayurveda does to my hair, and y'all know I'm going back to Ayurveda, so it should be no surprise that I'm doing an Ayurvedic mask once again. If you're not into Ayurveda, where you at? Where you at? Ayurveda is life. Get into it. People say Ayurveda is not for black girls. Why are you being weird? Why are you being weird to me? This is what my hair looks after applying the Ayurvedic mask. Like, hello, is anyone home? Can you hear me? Come on, curls. Oh, yes, perfection. Then I sat under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes. I could have easily used my steamer. I love using my steamer with these Ayurvedic treatments, but I was being lazy. But do better than me, be better than me, and try this with a steamer. I will link my steamer down below. It's been an hour since I rinsed out my deep conditioner. I don't know if y'all can tell, but sis is tired. Look at my eyes. They are so red and I'm so tired. But look at the hair though. Look how nice and shiny my hair looks. I started out this video going in with the Sienna Naturals leave-in conditioner, but I quickly switched it out because it wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. So we're gonna have to revisit that. We're gonna have to revisit sis. For a blowout, I always apply a leave-in just because I want my hair to be nice and moisturized. I know people just be going in with a heat protectant. That is not me and my ministry. I have super dry hair, so I need the moisture. Always need the moisture. Now I'm going in with, no surprise, the Cheese Silk Infusion. I've used this several times on my channel. It's what I have, it's what I'm using. I like it. Now I'm going in with a brush. I typically don't use tools a lot, but when it comes to a blowout, I want my hair to be as tangle-free as possible. So I am going in with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I do have a dedicated video when I first used this brush, so if you haven't seen that, you can definitely check it out in the cards. When I use brushes, I take my time. I don't rip through my hair. Brushes and combs can easily damage the hair, so just be careful, take your time, and have patience. At this point, I stopped playing myself and I pulled out a different leave-in. This is the Talia Waheed leave-in conditioner. Everything will be linked down below, but it's a nice, lightweight, softening leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I had to switch it up. It is time to blow out my hair. You've seen me do this multiple times on my channel too. I do have a video when I used the Revere for the first time. I personally love the Revere. Is it loud? Yes. Is it super duper expensive? Hell yes. Does your blowout get super sleek and straight? Hell no. But I do like the low manipulation. I do like that I can get a nice stretch. And I like that it doesn't damage my hair. For me, it has more pros than cons. If you want to check it out, I do have a discount code and I'll leave it on the screen, and you can also click the link down below. I recommend it. I know everyone can't afford it, but if you are really particular about your hair and you want to get as little damage as possible, I recommend the Revere. I really do. And I was just surprised by the length. I was like, okay girl, you better come through with that length. My hair just looks so nice and healthy. I am loving this for me. After blowing out my hair, this is what my hair is looking like. You can see that my hair has reverted quite a bit, but I am in love with the thickness of my hair. I can definitely see the increased thickness since my last blowout, so I really do love that for me. Come through, booty crack length hair goals. And that's the end of my wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I love you and I'll see you later. Bye y'all.